Hey guys, John here. So in this video, I'm going to be replacing my 3rd Gen Tacoma headlights with some new headlights by Anzo USA. So let's take a look at them real quick, guys. So these ones are their black projector LED ones with the sequential turn. So I really like it that we're going to get a nice blacked out look as opposed to the chrome that the truck comes with, but nice smoked housing there. And then taking a look at the back of it, seems to be sealed up pretty nicely, and this will just be plug and play. The first step that we're going to do is take out the center grille, and to do that, all you have to do is take off the tab right here, these two 10mm bolts, one right there, one right here, this other tab right here, and if your truck has Toyota Safety Sense or the front camera in the center of it, go ahead and unplug this harness right here. So with the grill now out, that frees up this little plastic space of the light. We're gonna see 1, 2 right here on each side to hold in the headlight housing, but unfortunately there is also another bolt that is like right here, so we will have to take off the front bumper just a little bit to gain access to that bolt. So what we're gonna do is free that up by taking the plastic molding off right here. You guys can see the 10mm bolts up under here that we will be having to remove to gain access to that area. Then just with a little bit of force, you are able to get the bumper out. Your paint color match part of your bumper is going to be hung up on this a little bit. Just kind of pull it out and don't be afraid to pull it because it's just plastic tabs holding it together. But once it's out, you will gain access to that. And once that bolt is loosened all the way, this plastic piece, the bolt is still inside of it, will come out from the light housing. Once all the 10mm bolts are off, the 2 up top, 1 on the side, you have one last little plastic pry tool. And once that's out, your headlight housing should be free. Just make sure you disconnect all the electrical harnesses. Now the only bulb that we're going to transfer over is this tiny little marker bulb. So I took it out of the OEM headlights. Just go ahead and put it into the Anzo headlights. Okay, with both lights out on a workbench, just go ahead and connect up the harness. So on the driver's side housing, you're going to have the bigger part of the housing. This harness comes into the connector. The bigger part of the harness right here connects into this like little resistor or ballast, whatever that dude is. These parts right here are going to connect to your battery. You have a positive and negative terminal, and then this right here is going to go to the blinker wire. On the passenger side, this smaller portion right here, this is going to connect to this right here coming out of that little sequential area. So I have the harness plugged into the passenger side. I just ran the harness to the driver's side under this shroud. So I put a little zip tie right here, ran it up under this shroud, and now I have the harness over here on the driver's side. You have your wire that we are gonna plug into the blinker, and the blinker is this gray one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get that connector. When you peel back the blinker wire, you see the salmon colored one and the white and black. So this one is your positive that we're gonna connect that harness wire to, and this is your negative. We're not gonna worry about that one, so only the salmon one on the gray connector. This is for your blinker. And this is what it should look like when you're done. So you have the little connector, the yellow wire from the harness provided up in there, and then I just went ahead, put them together, pinched it down hard with some pliers, and that's what it looks like. Just be careful of your negative wire right here to move this one out of the way when you're using your pliers so you don't crush that wire. And before we button everything up and put everything together, make sure your stuff works. So here is the low beams with the DRLs. And now we have the blinker. That is actually pretty bright. That's a nice sequential turn. DRL's over here. Blinker's over here. Perfect. Here's the startup feature too when you unlock the Tacoma. And then when you lock it, alright guys, so here are the Anzo headlights at night. So I had it lined up with my garage, and I was trying to get it as lined up as possible. But the passenger side is the hardest thing to get, especially because the Tacoma has the windshield wiper fluid there. So it's very, very hard to get, and my dumb butt doesn't have ratcheting wrenches yet. But I was able to move the passenger side up a bit. I may need to move the driver's side over too, just to get rid of that little bit of line right there in the middle. But holy crap, sorry about all those excuses. These lights are very bright. We got the street light right there, not affecting them at all. These things are very, very bright. Super impressed, honestly. Good cast over here to the side, not a horrible cutoff. Good cast over there to the passenger side. Street light again, not even affecting these lights at all. If I turn on the brights are a little to be desired, honestly. I may need to try to adjust those too, but turn the brights off, turn the brights on. Yeah, I mean, you could see the trees a bit with them, but they definitely like a light bar situation, I guess, for the Tacoma for that. Go ahead and turn right. And as we are turning right, see a good amount of the road. Not really coming up on camera, unfortunately, but very, very bright. Turn on the brights again. So, I mean, the brights do fill up kind of that dead spot a little bit farther ahead in the lights. Again, I need to adjust these a little bit more to get it spot on. But holy crap, dude. Initial impressions, very bright. Okay, so stepping out, taking a look from the driver's side, good amount of cast over here to the left. Going forward, again, I will get that dialed in and cast out to the right. Shoots pretty far. I mean, that's close to 100, 150 feet or so, it looks like. Yeah, these things are very good. The stock lights that the Tacoma had were not good at all. These ones, man, very, very good. Taking a look over here from the passenger side. Nice. And then I'll just turn the blinker on for you guys. Pretty bright too. And here's a look, guys, with pretty much direct sunlight. So we'll go ahead and unlock it. Ambers are super bright, holy smokes. And then we'll lock it again. And then you guys can see the little dance pattern that it does. And those DRLs are bright. And it flickered like that because of the LED, but it didn't flicker in real life. So very, very cool, super bright. Very satisfied with the front ones. They match really well. If you guys missed the video, I will link to it for you all. But the rear Anzos as well are pretty awesome. Very bright brake lights, very nice reverse lights as well. The Tacoma's camera system isn't the best camera system for a 360, but the LEDs in these Anzo taillights do help it out quite a bit to help see when you're reversing. So front lights were very easy to install. Again, you just gotta kind of remove the front bumper just a little bit. It's not too hard, guys, if you're DIY inclined. But that smoked out look, the brightness at night, very, very impressive. And it complements the Tacoma really well. It almost looks like the premium lights that Toyota offers now with the Tacomas, and it kind of also does look like the TRD Pro lights, and instead down there at the bottom, it's saying Pro on that side and TRD on the other one. It's just a nice LED light, so super satisfied with them. So that's it, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.